Hello guys, it's your guy CryptoBills. I'm here again with the latest gist on the crypto space, and also to share with you another cool lovely project, as I've always done on this channel. I love sharing new projects with you guys and show you how you can invest on newly highly potential projects. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you another cool project. Stay tuned to the very end of this video so that you don't miss this project I'm going to be sharing with you. Before anything, I also need to let you know what is happening, current trending news on the crypto space. I'm going to be sharing some highlights of the news that are trending currently on the space. On this channel, I have done series of videos on highly potential projects that have done well in the past, and some are still doing well. And I can tell you that on this channel, some of these projects we have made profit on our investment. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out of any of my video on investment opportunity on this channel. So feel free to check out some of the past video I have done on this channel and see how you can also still invest on some of these projects. Some of them are really doing well, and they have the potential to do well in days or months to come. The truth about the strategy on this channel is that I don't want anyone to miss out again on projects that will highly turn your fortune around in a matter of days to come. Forgetting the fact that we have all missed out during the early days of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance and all that. And so I'm giving everybody a platform to check some projects out and also put their money where their mouth is. Another strategy on this channel is that we don't invest huge on projects, and that is why we're not choosing highly expensive projects to invest on right now, even though I have my portfolio on some of these projects that are high in price. But I'm going with the content of this channel. I love to share with you projects that you can invest less than $10 on. I think the highest project we've invested on this channel, the highest amount of money we've invested on project on this channel is $7. I think that was the highest, but I don't want to go above $10, and not just don't see the $10 as small amount of money. Our focus is the quantity of the project token you will be able to buy with lesser amount of money. All the projects we have invested on this project, on this channel rather, is huge. We have been able to bought millions and billions of tokens on some of these projects. And looking at the past video I have done, you can see on this particular project I said okay, make millions with Dirty Doge, buy and invest on this with just $2, and you can buy 20 billions. And that this video was done 3 months ago. You can imagine you investing $2 to acquire 2 billion token of a particular project. And that is the strategy. We have always used a lesser amount of money to buy huge quantity of some of these newly launched projects. And baby Dogecoin, we bought it when the price is highly low, and we bought 1 billion token with less than $1. And I can tell you currently our value, the value of 1 billion that we have had in our portfolio has drastically increased, and the quantity also increased, because these are deflationary token, and they are also token that give back when other new investor comes into the system, they have a percentage of return to older investors. So if you buy some of this project token, you have a quantity increase over time, and you also have the value increase over time. That's an opportunity. So remember to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out of some of this investment opportunity I drop on this channel. So guys, let's look at today's gist, today's news, and what is currently trending on the crypto space. I have some news I highlight to and just show you, and this news was gotten from CoinMarketCap headline. CoinMarketCap headline: Bitcoin supply is moving to strong hand amidst Bitcoin on-chain analysts going on mainstream. The current Bitcoin correction has not damped the spirit of strong hand investors who hold for future purpose, because they are accumulating. So you can see investors are accumulating, and this is really affecting what is happening right now. And the second news highlight says Bitcoin hit 6 weeks low in hours as 24 hours crypto liquidation near $650 million, and the Bitcoin price action sees its lowest level since the second week of October after the hefty 5,000 red daily candle. So guys, another news headline says 2 mass regulated Bitcoin fund launch in Singapore. The new Bitcoin fund aims to provide simple and secure exposure to Bitcoin for professional investors. The next news headline says Bitcoin dumped $2,000 within minutes as new COVID strain detected. China regulator asks DD Global to delist from New York Stock Exchange. Guys, and some of the effect of this news and why you have to follow some of this news is that, and some of this news affect what is currently happening on the space. Some of them have influence on what people are buying and selling. Some of this news, the crypto space always reacts to some of this news. Immediately they pop up, and so sometimes you have huge sell-off, and sometimes you have huge buying taking place on the space. And that is why you also need to be informed on some of this news, and so that you know when and how you can properly invest on some of these projects. Let's look at another news outline from bitcoin.com. This one says Mexico third richest man advises buy Bitcoin now, says US looking increasingly like third world country. Hillary Clinton called on Biden administration to regulate cryptocurrency, warned of manipulation by Russia and China. JP Morgan's CEO James Dimond warned people to be careful when investing in crypto, citing no intrinsic value. US Senator hacks Coinbase, Gemini, Binance, Twitter, how they are protecting customers. Ban or no ban? Conflicting reports on crypto regulation coming out of India. Wow, guys, and it is important you also go through some of this news. I don't have all the luxury to open some of these news and read them for you in details, but I can tell you some of this has a negative and a positive influence on the crypto space as we speak. currently, let's see the effect of what some of these news are doing to the crypto space. So let's go into CoinMarketCap and see what the price reaction is to this news. Wow, as we can see, the Bitcoins are not reacting so well to some of this news. In fact, not only Bitcoin, a huge number of cryptos are not reacting positively to this news. We are really having a red day. We have high numbers of coins and tokens in red, and currently the Bitcoin is selling below $55,000, and it's have the last 24 hours a negative downstream of 5.35%, and then the Ethereum is also having a negative movement downward by 5.49%. The Binance coin BNB is also doing the same thing and going down by 6.58%. The Tether also is also having that negative movement by 0.1%. I'm just going to share with you the top 10 crypto right now on CoinMarketCap, how they are faring. Solana is also having a negative percent of 7.69% in the last 24 hours, and Cardano is also 6.05% down, and XRP 7.75%. Out of the top 10 crypto, we only have one in green, and that is USD coin, and is only in green with 0.02%. And the next one, which is the number 9, the top 9 is Polkadot, and is down by 9.42%. And we have the Dogecoin, which is down by 7.79% in the last 24 hours. All these tokens are in the last 24 hours, all this percentage, and they are down in the last 24 hours. So guys, and the crypto space is not smiling right now, but like I've always say, this is not time to worry, and this might be a bit of correction on the space, and it might be a very good avenue for new investors to re-strategize and take their position and invest more on their portfolio. So don't panic. We have always seen this. We have I think by now we should be used to the red alert and the red movement on the space, because one way or the other it has helped us to re-strategize and invest more on whatever portfolio we have so far. So guys, nothing to worry about, and these are just the current situation on the space, and it's a time to also reflect on what next to invest on. So guys, talking about what next to invest on, let me now move to the coin of the day. I'm going to introduce you to a new project like I have always do on this channel. The project is still very new and the price is extremely very low, and the target is investing very low on project like this, and then when the project move up, we will be able to make profit as time goes on. So guys, without further ado, let me introduce you to the project of the day, which is Ghost Farmer. I call it Ghost Farmer Capital. Ghost Farmer Capital. What is so special about this project? And something just got my attention about this project, and that is why I decided to share with you guys. And the project is new, like I have said, And what really got my attention is the fact that the project has to do with farming for you. I want to believe you know what farming is. It's a system of having a token generate another token for you. So this project says, according to their project website, says we make farming easier. All you need to do is to hold GFC, which is Ghost Farmer Capital Token, to earn profit from our multi-chain farming. This whole process is going to be automatic, so you don't need to do anything. The highest thing you need to do is just to invest on this project, hold your token, and the system is going to be generating and farming on your behalf for you. So this is what got my attention, and the fact that the project is still very new and we have less number of people on this project. I love to come in when we have less number of people on project like this, because as days goes by, you're going to be making profit on newly people that comes in, and you're going to be making profit as the project progresses, because the more people comes in, the value of the project will keep going up and you are going to be making profit on them. So that is why I love to come in early and join the project as it goes. So guys, I'm going to be sharing the link to this project in the description below. Also do your own research and be sure you really want to invest on this project. I am just sharing and introducing you to this project in case you have not seen it or you have not come across it. This to me is a good project whereby you just invest your little amount of money and you leave your token, and the token or the system also generate and farm on your behalf. That is a good way of investing, because it's a method of putting your money where your mouth is. Let your money work for you, and it's a good way of investing. So guys, let's look at how this project is doing on CoinMarketCap. Let's see how it's doing. This is Ghost Farmer Capital history on CoinMarketCap, and you can see the trading chart and how it's moving. Currently is down and is going back, having its correction back upward, and in the last, you can see the price is still extremely very low, and you can still buy this project token with your $1. You can still buy high number of token on this project, and you can, but I advise you buying anything above, make sure your investment is up to 1 million token, and with your between $1 and $10, you should be able to buy up to 1 million token of this project. I'd have loved to share with you the quantity you can buy, but I don't want to do that because I want you to do your research on your own and also decide on what you want to buy, if you really want to invest on this project, or you're not comfortable with the project. And so do your own research, take your decision, but mind you, like I have always advised, don't invest huge on newly launched projects, because not all of them will survive the crypto space, not all of them will survive over time. So put the money you don't use again, and make sure that it is not money that will affect you when the project crash. So that's a little advice from me. So currently, the last 24 hours, this project is trading over $4 million, and that is huge number. $4 million in the last 24 hours. So we have $4 million trading volume on this project. And like I said, the project is still new, and the project is moving up by 10.71%. And let's check out the number of addresses that are currently holding this project. As we can see, we have less than $700. Sorry, less than 700 addresses. I don't know why I'm calling dollars. My head is just so attached to dollars. Maybe I want millions of dollars in my account in coming days, and I'm gonna get there. So we have less than 700 addresses on this project. So, and this is a good one, and because they are not if you are joining this project, you are going to be among the early investor, and you're going to make profit on this project. But one thing I am not so cool about this project is, and let me also point out, is the fact that we have huge number of addresses that has high number of this project. At the moment, 4.927% is huge percentage for someone to have on this project. The implication of some of these investors that buy high volume of this project is that if anything happens and any of them pull out their investment on this project, and the price reaction is going to be very huge, it's going to have a negative price reaction, which is really going to be very bad for new investors and people that are hoping to come in again on this project. So these are something you need to watch as well. We have huge number of addresses that had huge number of this project token, though the address are not known. I don't understand. Okay, they use FTM scan, and I don't know if the PancakeSwap addresses are here, or it was not really specified, so we really cannot say whether this 26% is meant for the company or is meant for an individual. So these are what you need to watch before you invest on. So guys, like I said, I'm going to share the link to this project in the description below. Feel free to take a look at it and make your decision, and be mindful that I am not liable to any decision you take. I am only using this video to share my opinion and for education and research purpose. So whatever decision you take, you are on your own. So thank you. In case this video has really helped you in your investment decision, and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, click on the subscribe button, and remember to turn on your notification bell for quick and prompt notification on new video on investment opportunity on the crypto space. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.